Hello, welcome to my part 2 series for weekend side hustle idea. As I mentioned before in my first video that you are on weekends available and you want to maximize as much as possible. So why not make extra cash on your days off and especially on Sundays, and you can do it working from home. So as you can see on LinkedIn, there are jobs that are requiring for you to stay remote, and it's email marketing. As well, if you look on Indeed, there are jobs available remote in email marketing. So if you know how to write emails and how to check your emails and how to craft a message that will deliver a reply or any call to action, then this is for you. Check out those job descriptions. What is it that you feel you don't know? If you feel that you don't know, hit me in the comment that you are feeling not sure or something about a skill. Let me know and I'm going to guide you on how to get that skill. We women underestimate our power. We underestimate our skills, our knowledge, and of course experience, thinking that, oh, I don't know anything about email marketing especially, or I don't know, I don't have a degree for that. This is supposed to be pushed aside and you're supposed to say to yourself, I can do it, I'm capable, I'm qualified. I send these jobs to people who I know they are qualified and I know they can do it, but yet I get a reply, I don't have qualifications, I don't have credentials, I don't have experience, I don't know much about marketing. So if you don't know, go and learn. And if you don't know where to learn, let me know in the comments and I'm going to teach you where to learn. So there is a tool called Vipe Cloud CRM. So CRM stands for Client Relationship Management. So when you have a job in email marketing, they already probably have a CRM. And if they don't, you can suggest them about the Vipe Cloud CRM. So what the CRM does, it collects emails. To collect an email list, I describe right here, but we're gonna go over it later on. You have an email. So let's say a marketing agency or whatever agency that is hiring email marketer, they already have a database, they already have a system that collects emails. So that way the email list is growing. You can now message those lists about whatever the company wants you to message. Now, the whole point of having an email marketing is for them to do a call to action. Make sure that they open the emails, not ignoring them. Make sure that the open rate is going higher percentages, more than 50% and not lower. And this you will learn through experience. So the more you are going to get familiar with how much you can write emails and how much you get replies, because imagine how many times you write emails even asking for a question and you barely get a reply for it. And I have an email system in Gmail that will remind me, oh, you have this message sent 3 days ago or 5 days ago and it wasn't replied. So you want to go back and ask for that question again and follow up. In order to write a content for the CRM, you will need to lay out what is it that you want to write about. So I have a system that is called Notion. Notion, you are going to write your notes in there and organize them in a way that you know, okay, this message is going to go to that email list, the other message is going to go to the other email list, so that way it makes sense and it's relevant. Like I said, if you have no idea what email marketing does, I explain everything right here in the playlist. If anything you still struggle and overwhelmed, let me know in the comments and I'll reach out to you. Now let's go back to Indeed. When you look for an email marketer, you know what niche they are. Okay, it can be a software company, it can be a marketing company, it can be just any other company that really has a problem with email marketing. Look at the salary. There are salaries that range between 60 to 100 plus. You see for yourself at what level you are. And at the job description, you can skim through it. What I actually go and I explained before, when you are searching for a job, the first thing you look is qualification, and the second you look is the job description. So I know they post job description first and qualification all the way on the bottom, but you have to skip through that and go first to qualification and then to job description. Now, once you found a job that requires remote and it's in email marketing, then you need to craft your resume in a way that shows you have the experience, the knowledge, and you know what you're talking about, and you can perform these tasks. Now, you can practice learning how to do email marketing on your own. I have subject lines that you can try once you have an email list. There are subject lines that you can try and test yourself. The link is in the description. And I have also sales letters that are also email type. So if in case you do need help with writing emails and you are going to a job and not sure how to do that, I have sales letters for you to do. To download, you just need to copy and paste, or you can use ChatGPT and craft your content there. Join my weekly email mini course challenge that will be delivering to your email. And I have a bonus for you, but you have to find out by clicking the link below in the description in order to get the mini course and the bonus. Like this video so I know you are interested to know more about Weekend Side Hustle Ideas Part 3, and also subscribe to my channel and share this video to your friends and family who are looking to supplement their income through other means, and this will be a great weekend side hustle. I'll see you on the next one.